Today we will study together how to use the Arduino Uno R3 system to achieve the effect of a running water light. Next, we will briefly understand its principle. The control of Arduino Uno R3 mainly realizes the on and off of LED lights and timing control by outputting high and low electrical frequencies through the digital pins of Arduino, thereby forming a running water effect. In daily life, we can apply it to decorative lights, indicator lights, car warning lights, and entry-level electronic experiments. The main materials required for the experiment are one Arduino Uno R3 development board, 8 LED lights of any color, 8 220 ohm resistors to protect the LEDs from being burned, one breadboard, several DuPont wires, a USB data cable, etc. Now let's consider how to connect them together. To avoid the LEDs from being burned, we first connect the 220 ohm resistors in series with the LEDs, and then use DuPont wires to connect Arduino to the positive pins of the LED. Finally, a common negative electrode is used to form a closed circuit. Now what we need to consider is how to light up the LEDs in sequence. According to the pins of the hardware connection, use the setup function in the Arduino program to set the output mode. In the function, control each pin to output a high level in sequence, and after a certain delay, output a low level and execute in the loop to form a running water effect. Arduino program code. This function is to make the LEDs connected to digital pins 2 to 9 light up and go out one by one to form a running water light effect. The integer variable LED pin is used to store the number of the current LED pin being operated. The setup function runs only once when the program starts. With the help of the pin mode function, digital pins 2 to 9 are all set to the output mode, so that these pins can control the LEDs. The loop function will execute continuously in a loop. Use a for loop to operate on pins 2 to 9 in turn digital, right? Make the current pin output a high level to turn on the corresponding LED. Delay. Pause for 1000 milliseconds to keep the LED on, digital, right? Make the current pin output a low level to turn off the corresponding LED. Delay. Pause for another 1 second to keep the LED off. The program will make the LEDs turn on for 1 second and then turn off in the order from pin 2 to pin 9, and then turn on the next one, and so on in a loop, thus presenting the visual effect of a running water light. 1. Software preparation. Install the Arduino IDE. After opening the software, select Tools gives Arduino Uno and select the correct port. 2. Code upload. Copy the above code to the IDE and click the upload button. The program will be automatically compiled and uploaded to Arduino. 3. Debugging key points. If the LED does not light up, check whether the pin definition is consistent with the hardware connection, whether the resistor is connected in reverse, and whether the positive and negative poles of the LED are connected wrongly. If the running water speed is too fast, slow, modify the value in the delay function. Effect description. 8 LEDs light up and go out in sequence, looping forward and backward to form a dynamic running water light effect. Summary. Mastered the output control method of Arduino digital pins, understood the principle and circuit connection logic of LED current limiting protection, expandable directions, modify the delay time to adjust the speed, add multi-mode switching, etc. 念完长长一串，面上